Let's put out the fire. Oh, Daddy Pig, is everything okay? I put the fire out, but there's been a casualty. Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have a story with Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig and George are watching the snowfall. It's snowing, George. I know, it's so exciting. Do you think Mommy will let us go out and build a snowman? I don't know, we can ask, but you know what this means, George? Yeah, we can build a snowman. No, George, I mean what it means about tomorrow. Yeah, we can build a snowman. George! What? What does it mean, Peppa? No school. No school tomorrow. Aw, but I wanted to play with Richard. Maybe we can invite them over to have fun with us tomorrow. Oh, that would be fun. No school, no school, no school, no school. Let's go see if Mommy will let us go outside now. Yeah, let's go see. Oh, look, it's snowing outside. How lovely. Guess what that means? No school tomorrow, no school tomorrow. Well, I better finish my cake. Oh, I gotta go check on the clothes, too. Mommy, 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 Mommy. Mommy, 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 Mommy. Yes, George. Yes, Peppa. Can we go outside and build a snowman in the snow? Oh, no. Look at the time. It's too late. It's time to get ready for bed. But, Mommy, there's no school tomorrow. It's snowing. You still need a good night's sleep, everybody. It's time to get ready for bed. Don't worry, you can play in the morning time. Okay, come on, George. Oh, Mommy, please. Go take a bath, George. Okay. So what are we going to do tomorrow? I don't know. Build a snowman. Yes, George, I know. Do you want to build a snowman? Yes, I do. Okay, George, but what else are we gonna do? I don't know. Have a snowball fight? Yeah, maybe. Go sledding? Yeah, maybe. I don't know what I want to do. We're gonna have fun, though. Yeah, we're gonna have fun. Hurry up, kids. It's time for bed. Okay. Good night, George. Good night, Peppa. See you in the morning, so we can build a snowman. Okay, kids, quiet down. It's time to get some sleep. Okay, Mom. Yes, Mom. I can't wait till tomorrow comes. Good night, George. Good night, Peppa. Oh, it's been a long night, but I slept really good.
Oh, I'm gonna get up and go clean off the roof, dear.
Okay, Daddy Pig. See you later. Mommy! What is it, Peppa? We can sleep in. You don't have to go to school. Mommy! Oh, George. So much for sleeping in. Can we go play in the snow now, Mommy? Yeah, please, Mommy. Oh, I suppose. Let me go find all of your clothes. Come on, Peppa, let's go outside and build. I know, snowman. You're ready to build a snowman. Yeah, do you want to build a snowman? George, of course I'll build a snowman with you. Come on, let's go. Yay! Okay, the roof is all clean and now I can go down. Whoa! Whoa! Oh no, it looks like Daddy Pig has got himself into some trouble. Oh look, someone already built the snowman. Peppa, you were supposed to wait for me. I didn't build it, George. You didn't? No, it was already here when I got here. Someone didn't do a very good job. No, they sure didn't. Let's finish him off. Okay. First, he needs a scarf. How do you know it's a he? Maybe it's a she. Okay, she needs a scarf. I'll go get it. I know where it's at. Here's a scarf. He's a really big snowman, Peppa. He sure is. What about a winter hat? Can we make the hat blue? Okay, George, okay. Okay, I'll go get the hat. Here's the hat, Peppa. Let's put it on his head. That'll help keep him warm. What else does he need? He already has some arms. They look really pink. That's really cool. Yeah, it looks just like us. Let's see, what about some eyes? Yeah, some eyes. I'll go find some stones. Okay. I found 2 nice stones for his eyes, George. Ha! He looks really silly. Let's see. He's got a really big nose. It looks like our kind of nose. It sure does, George. I think we need to arrange his scarf better. It doesn't look long enough. That's much better. Now he needs some buttons. Hey kids! Yes, Mommy? Have you seen your father? No. I guess he went to work already. I love our snowman. He's amazing. Well, he looks like he's done. Why don't we go play? Okay, let's go play.
Oh.
Our snowman is coming to life, Peppa. Oh my, that's so cool. It's kind of like Frosty the Snowman. He's a little scary, Peppa. I don't like this very much. Ah!
Oh.
Oh, dear snowman, what's your name?
Oh, Peppa.
No, I'm Peppa.
Peppa, help me.
Help you? Do you need to come inside to get all warmed up?
Peppa, it's Daddy Pig.
You're not Daddy Pig. You're a snowman.
Peppa, Peppa.
Okay, you're kind of starting to scare me. I better go get Mommy. Mommy! Really, Mommy? The snowman was talking to me. Peppa, snowman can't talk. They don't come alive. That's only in the cartoons. Really, Mommy? He even said my name. Oh, Peppa, you have such an active imagination.
Oh, hi, honey.
Ah! He did talk. Hello, Mr. Snowman.
Snowman? I'm not a snowman.
Oh, my goodness. Oh, I better call Daddy Pig. Daddy! Daddy!
It's me. Help.
Daddy Pig? Is that really you? He does have pink arms. Oh, Peppa, I think it's Daddy Pig. Let's get him inside and find out. We're gonna bring the talking snowman into our house? Yes, Peppa, come on. Help him inside. Okay. Come on, Mr. Snowman. Why are we bringing in the scary snowman? She thinks it's Daddy. Daddy? Daddy's not a snowman. I'm gonna go back to the kitchen and wait. Maybe the snow will start melting since we've got him warmed up. It is Daddy! Daddy, are you okay? I am now. I'm starting to get warmer. Oh dear. I'm sorry, we thought you were snowman, Daddy. Anyone can make that mistake. George! George! Yes? It is Daddy. Go get him a blanket. Okay, Daddy! You were our snowman? Wow! I think you better call in sick today at work.
Yeah, I think so. Being a snowman is tough on the system.
Then can you come outside and play with us in the snow?
Maybe later, kids. Maybe later.
Yay! Hi, dear. I'm off to my new job. Oh, do you really think you're gonna love it? I do. Maybe you want to bring the kids by later on. Okay, we'll do that. That sounds like a fun thing to do. A little field trip. See you later, dear. Bye. We'll have to stop by Daddy Pig's new job. It'll be so much fun to see what he's doing now. Hi, Mommy. Did Daddy already leave? Yes, he did, dear. Aw, I wanted to wish him a good first day at work. We're gonna drop by later. Yay, that's gonna be fun. Okay, I've washed all the dishes. I don't think I'm forgetting anything. It's time to go visit Daddy Pig. Oh no, it looks like Mommy Pig forgot a cake in the oven. Is everybody ready to go visit Daddy? Yeah! Yeah! Okay, come on then. Yay, we're here. Come on, Peppa. I can't wait to see the firehouse, Daddy.
Let's go inside, everybody.
Wow, Daddy, this is so cool. Look at all the fun fire equipment. We have hoses and axes, fire extinguishers and fire hats. There's even a phone for emergencies. That's so cool. Can I go up in the lookout tower, Daddy, please, please? Sure thing. Go ahead. Yay! I want to be a firefighter someday. It's my turn, George. Come down. Okay. That was so much fun. I want to be a firefighter someday. I want to go check out the lookout tower too. Oh, come rescue the fair maiden from the castle. Oh, let me let down my hair. You can help rescue me. Peppa! Oh, sorry, I got carried away. Coming now, Daddy. Can we see the fire truck too? Yeah, firefighters need to see the fire truck. Sure, let's go outside and check out the fire truck. Wow, look, Peppa. There are fire extinguishers, an axe, and a hose. Check out the ladder, George. Whoa! I want to see how it works. Let's lift it up there. Let's put the ladder on. Wow, it's so tall. Wow, I'm so high up. George, I want to see. Okay. Wow! This is so cool. And that's how a fire station works, kids. Wow! I wish we could see an emergency in action. That would be so fun. Oh dear, I don't know about that. Yeah, it would be fun. Woohoo! Oh no, the emergency phone. I've got to take this. Hello? There's a fire at 3 Ashley Street. Okay, I'll be right there. Sorry, kids. Duty calls. Dear, did you say 3 Ashley Street? Yeah, why? That's our address. Oh my. Oh dear, I better hurry. Come on, kids, let's follow Daddy in our little red car. It looks like there's smoke coming out of the kitchen. Oh Oh dear! There's smoke coming out of the kitchen. Did I leave the oven on? Oh dear, there's so much smoke. It looks like it's coming out of the oven. Let's put out the fire. Oh, Daddy Pig, is everything okay?
I put the fire out, but there's been a casualty.
A casualty? Oh dear, what happened?
I'm afraid your cake has died.
Oh no, Daddy Pig. I can always make another cake.
I sure hope you have it in time for dinner. I would really love a treat after a nice long day at work.
Okay, Daddy Pig. Thank you for putting out the fire. Daddy. Yes, George? You're my hero. Aw, thanks, George. You're my hero too, Daddy. That was an amazing job saving our house. Thanks, Peppa. And thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.